My sources tell me we have some unwelcome visitors to my little land of enchantment. Lidia, darling, Mother has the perfect opportunity for you to hone your leadership skills.
Me? Why?
Sweetie, you mustn't question Mother's parenting skills. If it helps, take him with you.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun.
Little to the left. There. Right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. You're all clear.
Oh boy. You know, I could use a hand here.
Hey, me too. Because I don't have hands.
Hey, keep it down, Sid. We're in enemy territory.
Well, in that case,
Push faster! Okay, but I need a drink first or I'm never gonna make it home and nobody gets lunch.
ah! Oh, dude, juice in my rims. Do you know how long it's gonna take somebody else to clean that? Yak!
Yak is bad.
Yeah, yak is bad, Zach. Worse than juicy rims. Much worse.
It sounds like you're going to explode.
Well, what a coincidence, because I feel like I'm gonna explode.
Well, can you transform?
No, I think I pulled one of my bivalves.
I think we better get you back to Gramps, and fast!
Huh? Something tells me they're not here to help.
Oh, my. That orange has put our boys in a real pickle. I do love a juicy story.
Easy there, Stretchy. You're going to the boss.
I'm being snailed now!
Sid, I'm coming!
So I tell her I may be a worker, but I party like a drone. Hey, we're working here!
Uh-oh. What the? Tree sap? Ugh, I'm stuck!
We're both stuck, you nasty... handsome... Ooh, look, pheromones.
There's something you need to know about Sid. He's going to explode.
I love the way you say explode.
Let me put it to you another way. You just sent your mom a bomb!
A bomb? Oh, I hate this! Polishing leadership skills really sucks!
Oh, should have thought this.
Oh, great.
Not what I planned. What the?
This is your fault! You're a rotten hostage!
Oh, yeah? Well, you're a lousy villain! Need to get Gramps!
Worst day ever! Huh? Uh-oh.
What the? Good night.
Hello, daughter of a terrifying villainess. This is your fabulous life.
I got one, boss. I got one.
I certainly hope so. I wasn't sending you out for pizza.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna explode!
That's what they all say.
Ah, come on. Who says that?
I do. I explode all the time. I once broke a toilet. Oh, it was ugly.
Where has Lidia got to?
I knew this was a bad idea. I'm stuck to a human pheromone factory. I sent Mother an exploding snail. And I have to walk. What else can go wrong?
Whoa, whoa, Where do you think you're going? This is a major picnic teardown here. And where's your hard hat?
I'm a mosquito, you're an ant. I outrank you, and I'm in a hurry.
A hurry, huh? Now let's see. Well, Ant Labor Union law states that an ant trail can only be broken or intercepted in cases of extreme emergencies.
What do you call this? I sent my mom a slime bomb, and I've got a shrunken human on my back.
Human. Aha! Here. Section 221 of the Ant Labor Union law states that an ant trail can only be broken, intercepted, or rerouted in the event that a human steps across the line.
So that means...
But it doesn't say anything about shrunken humans.
Ugh! Do you know who I am? I am the daughter of Adilla, ruler of the insect realm.
Adilla! Nope. Doesn't say anything about Adilla either.
Oh, come on!
Want to give me some room here? If you were any closer, I'd be behind you.
Boss, I think he's going to explode. For real.
Lydia's been so rebellious lately. What is she up to? Why does she make me wait and worry like this? What have I done to deserve any of this? She never ever
Sounds like they've got mother-daughter issues, huh?
Back grounded indefinitely.
Yup.
Focus, Lidia. Must concentrate. Save Mother. Why are you so heavy? Why are you so dreamy? Why do I keep saying that?
I'm awake, you know.
Oh, I was talking about someone else, stuck on my back.
Oh, my dear Lydia. Have you run off? Am I a bad mother?
Boss, I think that,
baby run away?
If you really liked me, you'd stop and listen to what I'm telling you.
I don't like you. It's the pheromones you give off. They make me like
Okay,
you.
you like me against your will. I get it. Now take me to Gramps or we're all going to be under a mushroom cloud of snail snot.
Shut your gorgeous face.
Wait, you think I'm gorgeous?
Ugh!
I feel bad.
Bad? What does the belligerent bivalve know about bad? I'll tell you bad. Me! I'm a bad mother.
So, you're all crazy for the Zackster, huh? I can't say you're the first.
You can't say it because it's not true.
Ah!
maybe I can shake it out of you, huh?
I've driven
maybe
my
not.
little...
I think my stomach just wrapped around my crankshaft.
Come home, Lydia. Mother promises to never, ever boss you around again. Lydia, take out the trash. Lydia, tie up the hostages. Lydia, Lydia, Lydia! Oh. Lydia!
The snail, it's going to explode.
Where have you been? What have you been doing? And what is that on your back?
Oh, Mom, must you always criticize what I'm wearing?
Hate to be a downer, but I'm gonna explode here, remember?
La 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 la, la 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 la.
I'm at DEFCON 6!
What? You mean the snail really is going to explode?
I'll save you, Sid!
It's gonna blow!
Give me back my daughter!
Fire in the shell! This is it! Farewell, cruel world! Huh. What do you know?
That's it?
Well, it's usually the silent ones you have to worry about.
Sid! Oh no! Let's not be hasty now!
Ah! Sayonara, suckers!
Get back here!
Woohoo! Awesome!
So awesome. Yeah!
Oh, just dissolved the sap. I'm free!
Me landing on the orange, that was part of your plan, right? When you kicked me off the ledge?
Yeah, right. It worked like a charm.
Yeah, it was totally charming.
Well, that's creepy.
You do know you're drooling, right?
What the? I do not drool. And for the record, you're a total waste of time with your amazing stunts and delicious pheromones. And I am so over you.
I will never understand girls.
No, you won't. Can we go now?
You know, Sid, I'm still thirsty.
I think I'm gonna pass on the juice. Oranges give me gas.
I'm a human. Human. The species with by far the most evolved brain on the planet.
If you're so smart, why is your skeleton inside?
So it doesn't distract from my gorgeous body outside.
Unlike you, we insects have evolved instincts precisely in tune with our world.
Instinct is overrated. Brains all the way.
Instinct.
Brains.
Instinct.
Brains.
Whoa! Don't move a muscle.
No need to panic. This is nothing some calculated thrashing can't fix.
Zach, stop! There's only one way to escape a spider web. Instinct. You have to feel your way out of it. All points are connected. Stop, Zach! Listen to an insect on this. Or at least pretend to.
Huh? What?
Feeling evolved, Zach?
Just get me out of here, Willow.
Say the magic word. Well, actually, 3 magic words.
You're a pain. Won't do it.
Will do it.
Fine! I was wrong! Magic enough?
Abracadabra! Willow 1, spider 0.
A little help down here?
Just plain, boring instinct is all. You'll get there. Give or take about 40 million years.
This week brings our motley crew a sweet surprise. Unfortunately, it seems Zak is his own worst enemy, and that could lead to a sticky situation.
There's that wretched pair of do-gooders again. If there were only a way to grab that slippery little brat once and for all. Oh, every time my army gets close, he slithers through my fingers. Blast! Such perfect timing. Buzz around that kid up there.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Did that itch? Gotta be faster than that, Butterball.
I could have gotten out of that on my own, you know. With my brains, there's nothing down here I can't handle.
Sorry, Mom. It didn't squash them.
Squash them? Sweet, deluded Lidia. We don't want to squash our carefree crew. We want to take them alive.
But how's a lollipop going to...
Lidia, what did I tell you about questioning Mama's schemes? Observe.
What is that?
It's a lollipop. A giant ball of delicious, hardened, fruit-flavored sugar. Kids love them, dentists hate them. Well, my dentist does. Whoa, bonus fact, they're really sticky. You definitely don't want to touch it.
And ever since then, I never eat Mexican before my yoga class. That smell. Sugar. Pass it on. Pass it on. Boys, we found the sugar load. Sugar
with all this sugar, it won't be long before the ants show up. So much for instincts. No, guys, no, don't. Let's just turn you around.
Sugarlicious.
Oh, man.
Diabetes. I'm stuck and I can't get out.
So what do your amazing instincts tell us we should do now, Instinct Einstein?
Okay. Well, where's Chowser and Sid when you need them?
Guys, you gotta try this stuff. It's delicious.
No shocker there. Chowser wouldn't turn down free candy if it was tied to the face of a dung beetle.
Sid, give us a hand here.
I don't have hands.
Oh no! Hey, I'm here about the sugar. Right up here, buddy. Hop on.
No. You really don't want to.
I don't get it. What's the point of getting a bunch of ants stuck?
Ants? I don't care about the ants. I've gotten Zak and the Insectibles stuck. Those disgusting do-gooders won't leave that spot till every ant is free. Gnat! Oh! Stop doing that!
Gnat, I hate it when you do that. Affirmative, Private. Dismissed. High and low, front and center. I need you to leave right away. No, you morons, after I tell you the mission. Oh. Zak and the Insectibles are pinned down near the water pump. I need you to secure the location, capture the enemy, and report back to me. Aye, sir. You can leave now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, will you put a sock in it? We're working on it!
Hey, I got it. We cover the lollipop in dirt.
Pop. Lolly pop.
Whatever. It will de-stickify it, give it traction, so everyone can pull themselves off. Sid, hit it!
Okay.
Now I'm stuck and I'm dirty.
Just pour salt in me.
I'm telling you, I got this.
You're a licensed and bonded driller, right?
Just shut your eyes.
I don't think your drill is meant to cut sideways.
You don't say.
Now I'm stuck, dirty, and dangling. Man, this is my third worst birthday ever.
What was your second?
When I got caught in that spider web. See, the thing about spider webs is...
All points are connected?
I was going to say they give you a rash. May I please tell the rest of my story?
It.
Aw, come
All
on.
points are connected. Willow, you are a genius.
I am?
Yes. Okay, Sid, I need you back on crowd control.
Yeah, for all the good that's gonna do.
Guys?
Not now, Chowser. Willow, I need one more burst of energy out of you. Just follow my lead.
Guys, I think you need a
One
look.
moment, Chowser. Willow, I need a dozen holes in that lollipop.
What good will that do?
Guys!
What? Hurry, Willow.
But it won't work!
It will. Trust in my brain like I did with your instinct. Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, great body swim by Zak. Yep, a slippery evasion by Sid.
Hurry, Willow.
I know!
That's gonna hurt!
Victory is so close I couldn't fight it on the rear.
We have you now, puny human. There's no point in resisting.
Well, that's the funny thing about points, big guy. That they can all be connected.
And that, kiddos, is how the lollipop crumbles.
Seems we have a little roach problem. Chowser?
Chowser steps up to the plate. The crowd goes silent. He winds up his axe and he swings! And he knocks it out of the park! The crowd goes wild!
Get them, you morons! Where are you going? Get back there, I command you!
I gotta admit, brains and instincts can work together.
You don't need to apologize, Will.
Who's apologizing? I know you're gonna do something stupid and I'll have to save the day again.
You save the day? No. I save the day. Hey, no, well, come back here.
Not a word, Lidia. Not a word.
What is taking him so long?
Gramps is probably boring Willow to death with stories about the fascinating powers of ants.
Commonly known as nature's strongmen. And let's not forget about their unparalleled architectural genius.
Gramps, there it is!
Yes, it's one of the Shrinkinator's missing gears. We've hit pay dirt.
You sure that's a good idea?
I know exactly what I'm doing. Told you!
Uh-oh.
Run!
All right, Gramps! Hold on! Don't drop that thing! There goes your eyes! Woo! Woo! Can I get a holla? All cheer Willow the Brave! She's the boldest! She's the fastest! She's the #1 all-time awesomest!
And #1 all-time modestest.
Oh, I'm sorry, but who bravely rescued the missing gear and Gramps at the same time? Was it Zak? Don't think so. Who bravely busted us both out of that crumbling cave?
Begins with a Z?
Nope! Just call me Willow! Willow!
Squirming in the clutches of a hungry magpie, our Willow the Brave looks more like Willow the Worm. Her predicament is most delicious.
Where am I? Wow, all this shiny stuff. If I didn't know any better, I'd think I was in Grandpa's pocket. Better see how high up I am. Really, really high up.
Why doesn't she just fly out?
Maybe she's being eaten.
Maybe she's being digested.
Maybe she's being...
All right, stop. If anyone can hold their own in a fight, it's Willow. Any minute now, that magpie is going to fly away cawing for mercy. See? What did I tell you? Okay, we need to get up there before it comes back.
When you say we, you mean me, don't you? Oh, and my personal goal for today was to not get eaten.
And my personal goal for today was to babysit an old man. Mission accomplished.
Man, she better be up here, or I'm gonna be peeved. Willow, you're all right! Impressed by my manly heroism?
Look, thanks for visiting, but go on without me. I'm enjoying the view. I can see your house from here.
Really? Because I can see your trembling hands from here.
Well, I can smell your sticky armpits from here.
Oh, yeah? Well, I can...
Guys, can we do this later?
You go on ahead. I'll just start a new life up here. Maybe open a deli. Whatever that is.
Wait a minute. What's going on? Are you afraid of heights? Willow the Brave? Hey, and you were just bragging
I'm not afraid of heights. I'm afraid of really, really high heights. And I can't fly.
Oh, man, this is funnier than the time you tried to ask a stick for directions.
It was a stick bug. He just wasn't very talkative.
Yeah, because he had all of those leaves growing out of his mouth. Willow the Brave can't fly.
Willow the Brave can kick your butt if you don't clamp it.
Hey guys, look what I found.
Keep pacing like that. You'll end up in China, and I won't come get you.
That magpie will be back soon. What's taking them so long?
Ugh, looks like this baby's stuck.
Come on, Will, there's nothing to be afraid of.
There isn't? Did you know there's less oxygen at higher altitudes?
But I need that to breathe.
Exactly. And it's like a 1,000,000-foot drop. And once you fall, that's it. You just go faster and faster and faster until you hit like a watermelon.
A watermelon?
Yeah!
That's the messiest melon!
I know!
Hate to break up the freak out fest, you guys, but can you give me a hand with this thing? Guys? Oh, not you two.
Got a plan, Stan?
Yes, gonna do some reconnaissance. Sid, whip me up some slime.
Huh?
Slime, I need slime. And hurry, there's not a moment to lose.
Okay, but you need to turn around, you know? I can't go when someone's watching. Turn around.
Excellent.
I told my mom I'd make her proud someday.
This slime should have enough surface tension to form a serviceably convex lens. And voila! A slimoscope.
Shakespeare's got nothing on you.
Uh-oh, the magpie's returning.
This gear's not going anywhere. I'm okay. Sheesh, look at all this junk. Hey, guys, get over here. I think I found a way down.
We're not flying down, are we?
I'm not gonna fly down. Are you gonna fly down?
Relax, guys. No one needs to fly down. We're gonna climb down. Now, come on, before you know who comes back.
So, what was it we were looking for again? Please say snacks.
Anything shiny. Something to lure that bird away. Keep your eyes peeled.
Now you want to peel my eyes? Ugh.
No, what I meant was... Ah, Sid, you're brilliant.
It doesn't reach!
It will once we're all on. I had a big lunch today.
Chowser, you go first. You're the heaviest.
I can't. I'm nervous.
On second thought.
Out of my way!
Chowser, just don't look down.
Too late. Just did. Think I'm gonna...
Well, Sid, how do I look?
Couldn't possibly look any more ridiculous. I stand corrected.
You big feathered freak! Come and get me!
It's working! Looks like I owe you $5. Whatever they are.
Okay, on the count of 3.
Hey, looking good, Rick!
I'm king of the world!
Huh? Oh,
I'm coming!
Okay, you can do this. Please, don't fail me now.
Jeez, what took you so long?
You know me. I like to live on the edge.
What about Chowser?
Oh, Chowser.
I don't want to be a watermelon!
You weren't kidding about that big lunch.
What? You want this shiny thing? Well, you can have it!
Zach, what are you doing?
oh, great.
Okay, so which one of you is gonna help me rescue Grandpa?
Did someone mention my name?
Grandpa! But how?
Darn bird had my missing measuring tape. Surprised you didn't think of that, Zach. Try to use the old noggin next time, kid.
Whew, but I'm just glad you're okay.
Okay, I've never felt better.
Yeah, but you sure smell better.
So, Willow the Brave. Any other phobias you want to discuss?
Don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, careful! Don't fly too high!
Whatever.
Well, at least we got another piece of the Shrinkinator. We're one step closer to getting home, kiddo.
Yeah, about that, Gramps. Remember that fishing trip you promised me?